This morning I was a little hesitant about it. There's a lot of bugs, but mosquitoes and bugs are just doing their job when they bug you. It's just after 8 p.m. on the 25th of June. I'm in an undisclosed location because I don't know. And I'm in the giant Sequoia Monument, I think. Whatever. I'm staying at a dispersed campsite. So there's a fire pit that was already built. It's pretty sweet. It has this great big tombstone giant rock at the top. And then it just like kind of comes down. Huge. Must be 10 foot long, 5 foot wide. And it's just like a giant fireplace. This camp spot has turned out to be super cool. This morning I was a little hesitant about it. There's a lot of bugs, but mosquitoes and bugs are just doing their job when they bug you. Had a good day working out. Had a great workout session today. And then I did some yoga and stretching before then. Had some good food. Got some fucking huge pieces of wood. So I'm having a massive fire. Yeah, so I'm just having a great time. I said I jazzed up the camp spot a little bit. There's a table here that was all falling apart. Put some pieces of wood underneath it to help support it. And yeah, worked out a little bit on the fire pit. All right, I'm out. Thanks, huge thank you to Addicted to Love, aka Kyle. Kyle, you rock, brother. Thank you so much for all the support over the years. I think this is a terrific thing, what you're doing right now, especially as you're going into your big surgery in about a month. So I think it's great, the service you provide for people, documenting a story, helping people smile. So keep doing your thing, brother. Less that, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night.